Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Astuo Buru. Okay. So I have this 2009 Toyota Yaris, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life in this Toyota Yaris. Alright? First of all, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and the feedback, please put it in the comment box. Alright? Guru. So what we're gonna do now is put it right there. Go to trip A with this pin. Okay. Now you're gonna press it and hold it. Press the pin and hold it. Turn it off. Keep holding the pin. Turn it on. Don't start the car though. And it's gonna be flashing. Let me show you in a second, okay? Now let it go. And that's how you reset the oil life in this 2009 Toyota Yaris. Okay. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. And please, the feedback. Yeah, the feedback. Your ideas, suggestions, what you think about these tutorials and all that. Please put it in the comment box. Alright? I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good day. Take care. Holla at your boy. Astuo Buru.